In this video, I want to have a look at the Office.com that Douglas College provides all Douglas College students. So this is a tool that we can take advantage of in our course. So what I want to do is go through and explain this. Open up your web browser and go to Office.com, and you'll be able to access all of the Microsoft Online Software as a Service tools here. Now, I've already logged into the system here. So if for you as a student, you guys will be prompted to sign in or log in. You'll need your Douglas College account. So that's your name at student.douglascollege.ca account, the one that you use to log in, and your password. So that should authenticate you into the system, and it will give you access to a lot of the Microsoft tools. So you'll have to type in, of course, your password. And do I want to stay signed in? Sure, I'll stay signed in from now on. Make it a little bit easier. Now, this is the Office 365, the cloud-based software as a service tools for Microsoft Office. So you'll notice that you've got Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These are the cloud-based software tools. So if you, let's see here, I'll take away my face so that you can see the other one. So you take a look here in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. It says Install Office, and something when you're working in this course, you're going to need access to Microsoft Office, Word, and Excel, maybe a little bit of PowerPoint, and that's the Office apps right here. But you can also install other tools as well. So I want to point this out because it's a great feature, and Douglas College spends a lot of money for this feature, and I would encourage all students to get in here and start using this because it's been it's just an expensive tool. Here it's to install Microsoft Office, or install Office is right here. So if you don't have it installed, you can install it up to 5 PCs on a PC or a Mac. I've been getting students asking me questions about, well, I have a Mac and can I run on this course? And unfortunately, I don't have a Mac. The reason I use PC and why we use PCs at Douglas College is because we're training you guys for, to be ready to get into a work environment. And most companies, probably, I would be guessing probably something like 80%, maybe even more, companies use PCs. So Macs are great when you guys are learning in an educational environment, but when it comes to a work environment, most companies use PCs. Anyways, I wanted to point this out that you guys can install and download this. All right, now up here in the left-hand corner is your tile. Another one I'd like to point to your attention is the OneDrive. So not only do you have access to all the different Office apps, you also have access to the OneDrive. All Douglas College students have a 1 terabyte cloud storage right here. So I would encourage you guys to get into the OneDrive and download the app that connects your PC or Mac directly with your computer. So it'll actually show up in your list, in your file explorer. So for example, to get that, you want to synchronize the cloud or the web tool with your computer, synchronize it, and you can open up the Microsoft OneDrive app, or you can download or get the latest version of that right here. So if you click on get the latest version, down here at the bottom, you'll see it's downloading the OneDrive app. And when you install that, what's really nice is it connects the cloud to your file directory. So here's my file directory. Let me just pop it up on the screen here. I've got it on another screen. Let's see here. Well, it's not wanting to display, so what I'll do is maybe I'll switch my desktops over and show you here. All right, so here is my OneDrive. So once you install that tool inside of your Explorer, you'll see this appear. So once you click on the OneDrive, you can organize your folder structure. And I would recommend you create a folder structure like something like maybe your Douglas College courses. And within your Douglas College courses, I've created one here for CSIS 1190 online courses. And in there, I've created my first folder here for week number 2. That's the Word 1, 2, 3. And you can create all of your weeks in here and keep track of your file structures. highly recommend that. It's just so much more convenient than using a USB drive. Now, like you can see down here, I've got a USB drive, but it's, you can remove it, you can lose it, they can fail. These are redundantly backed up on the cloud, so you're not going to lose this. So once I'll take a look at this. This is the first assignment that you guys have to do. This is the Word Chapter 1 assignment. So I've just put it in here as an example. I'll be doing another video on showing how to complete the assignments in the online classes. All right, well, I hope that has helped. I'm going to just switch over here to and now if you take a look at the panel here, just have a quick look at Excel, for example. This is what the online Excel looks like. It is not the full version of Excel. It is a cloud-based or software as a service tool. So a lot of the functionality that is in the full version of Excel is also available in the cloud, but not all the functionalities like writing macros or advanced data analysis, all that kind of stuff isn't available. But if you have a look here, there is quite a bit. And as Microsoft keeps expanding this tool, they keep adding more cloud-based features and functionalities that make it more and more like the original software tool. So this is basically all you would need. Even if you had like a Chromebook or a Mac, you can always just log on to office.com, sign into your account, and you have access to all your files, and you have access to Word, Excel, and for most of the functions. Now, if you're going to try to do your assignments on here, it could be problematic. I haven't experimented with that. You probably will still need the full version of Word and Excel to do your assignments. All right, well, I hope that helps explain a little bit about a great tool that you guys have access to here at Douglas College called office.com. I'll see you in the next video.